Are you looking for the best monitors for trading? In this video we will look at some of the best monitors for trading on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Samsung CJ719. The Samsung CJ719 is an incredibly large, curved monitor that's perfect for trading due to its size, color, and amazing resolution. This is a fully complete item thanks to the easy one-cable design, intuitive split-screen software, and full-LED technology. Everything works well together. Backing up those traits is some of the best connectivity on the market. There's plenty of room for docks and displays. It works with everything from Macs to e-storage drives and USB Type-C laptops. The display is beautiful to look at and incredibly immersive. Number 2. Acer KG271U. The Acer KG271U is a solid pick. It's not going to give you the same awe-inspiring screen you'll find in curved monitors, but the zero-frame design and strong resolution still make it a joy to look at and use. On top of that, the anti-glare screen comes with a great blue light filter. You can use this for hours and hours without suffering from any lasting eye strain. The dual technology also makes this a fantastic choice for anyone who likes to have paired monitor setups. Number 3. Philips 276E8 VJSB. Though most trading monitors tend to be on the larger side, this one from Philips goes smaller and still stands out due to the incredible screen. The anti-glare display comes with full 4K UHD resolution as well as narrow borders and a staggering 10-bit IPS panel. This also comes with multi-view, various ports, and a 4-year advance replacement warranty. The shell is slim, while the flicker-free technology and low blue mode are easy on the eyes. Both are perfect during late nights working. Number 4. LG 34WN80C-B. When it comes to trading, a big screen tends to be better. The LG 34WN80C-B is a monitor that takes that to heart, delivering a curved 34-inch display that looks great from several angles. It supports a 99% sRGB color gamut in addition to an incredibly crisp resolution. This choice also gets high marks because it's HDR10 compatible and completely adjustable. You can both shift the stand's height and tilt it as you see fit. Those tweaks may not seem like a big deal, but they add a good amount of comfort to the entire setup. Number 5. Dell SE2719H. Another smaller monitor option. This Dell model allows you to save some desk space without losing any key aspects. It's a well-rounded monitor. You get a tiltable stand that allows for several viewing angles in addition to multiple HDMI, VGA, input options.